$1,100.
Did I finish the name? Darius Johnson.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Johnson in case ending in 1734, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Darius Johnson and in the case ending in 5312. Mr. Johnson, state your full name for the record.
Darius Johnson.
Judge, we're asking that, my matter and speak for Mr. Bird, his matter gets set for preliminary examination. I believe discovery to be complete in my case.
Correct, Your Honor. Both matters set for exam, please.
You understand we have a violation?
We do understand it's a violation. At first, we thought it was a progress report, not technically a violation, Your Honor.
Because it said progress report at the top or violation? It says violation.
Oh. But Your Honor, respectfully, it is a lot going on with my client. He had a medical marijuana card.
Does he have one?
He doesn't. He doesn't have.
I just gotta renew it.
So you don't have one.
Expired. So I technically don't have one.
He doesn't have a medical marijuana. He doesn't have a medical marijuana card.
That's either you do or don't.
I don't.
You don't. Okay.
It expired in 2023. But my client does suffer from PTSD, Your Honor. He went to prison at a young age, at 18 years old. He did 5 years in prison. Self-medicating. Been self-medicating off of that right now. He is taking care of his little brother. His little brother is his dependent that depends on him. Has one child. He has built a successful life for himself with a successful clothing line, but still times is difficult, Your Honor. Taking care of his little brother, taking care of his 3-month son. Went out of town to see his son because he needed to.
I just got it's no excuse for me not having it. I just got it. Like, you just give me the opportunity to get it. I can have it like tomorrow.
You can have what?
Tomorrow. I can just go online and get it.
And he did come up here. And he knew it was going to be a chance.
He was supposed to community corrections told him to discontinue use until he had that medical marijuana card was received and it was approved by the court. But you didn't do that.
No, I didn't.
And that was back in January that they told you that. And you still continued to use.
I did.
All discovery is complete.
In my case, yes, Judge.
In my case, as far as I know, yes, Your Honor.
People, other witnesses available the 17th. Preliminary examination in this matter will be set February 17, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore. At this point, you can't follow instructions and have you out. Bonds revoked. Defendants demanded.
Gardner.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment to review the discovery, and I'm hoping to make a bond argument as well.
I lost my screen. Seeking an adjournment on this matter.
Please, Your Honor.
We'll adjourn the matter to the 19th. Probable cause conference will be adjourned February 19th. 2026, 9 a.m. Asked about.
Judge, Mr. Gardner submits that he can be saved in the community if given a PR bond. He reports to me that he was doing really well before he was arrested. He was working for a program that enabled him to work in exchange for housing, and it was going well. He believes that he can get back in if he's released. He's unable to get back in. He does have a place to stay with his sister, who lives locally in Washtenaw County. He will seek other work. He is motivated to resolve this, Your Honor, and he promises to attend all court dates and follow through with all bond conditions.
However, we believe that where bond is currently set is appropriate to the situation, where, as I recall, we may have been staying at a hotel, and through the course of this, did threaten to kill or someone, right, to have them kill the officers who were involved and or their families. We believe this gentleman is
he threatened to kill the officers in his family.
He is also just really dangerous to the public.
Anything else?
No, I leave it at.
I'm going to deny the motion for bond reduction. Bond will remain. Right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Case people versus the cases of the people versus Dara Akiji.
An assistant public defender, Jay Bellinger, on behalf of Mr. Ikeji, on all cases not ending in 1678.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Sachs for Mr. Ikeji in case ending in 1670.
Your Honor, our client is present via Zoom from the jail.
Yes, sir. If you can state your name, please.
Greetings, honorable family, friends, and community members and township members. My name is Chidera Bennett DKG, and I'm entering into my rights to plead the federal Fifth Amendment, bonding me into the right to remain silent for the rest of trial. One of the only reasons the prosecuting party will proceed to provide lacking evidence is because they want me to forget the root cause of every case or pretension presented against me today. Last reason I'm providing you with is I'm prepared to stand in on the fact that I do not want my mother or my father provided with a stroke or heart attack, recognizing the county of Washtenaw, city of Ann Arbor, all within the
So
same.
are you going to be done soon?
I'm still speaking. Attempted to kill me.
Don't even try that.
As a victim, like
Let's mute him because you can talk away all you want. What are we doing on this?
Your Honor, may we approach, please?
Well, sure. Go on up. Okay, record should reflect we have bench conference in this case. The defendant has stood up, but is still present in the room. We've received competency reports indicating that the defendant is competent. Do we have any other additional evidence for the court to consider?
We don't, Your Honor. And as I stated at the bench, I understand that a new competency request was signed by this court, and then we got the report back right after. So we would be stipulating to competence on all of the files, despite the fact that there's still that outstanding competency order.
All right.
Your Honor, the people would stipulate have no further evidence as the court find defendant.
Same, Your Honor.
The defendant is competent to stand trial in this matter. I will sign the competency orders. I will then set a probable cause conference in this case. I will set a probable cause conference for March 5th.
Yep. Okay. Thank you very much.
2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Mr. Ikeji, I will visit you. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Next time.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Take care. Good to see you.
Wow. It's got to be the only difference around one is found at the top. You'll see it.